time to play Journey to Big Bird, the game where Big Bird hides and Ernie seeks.
If you want to find me, look for me behind a monster who's blue, has googly eyes, and likes cookies. Count to 10 with me and remember, no peeking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Wow, we're not on Sesame Street anymore. We're in Monsterland. Ooh, 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 ooh. What was Big Bird's clue? Oh, he said, if you want to find me, look for me behind a monster who's blue and has googly eyes and likes cookies. Let's see. It's Cookie Monster. Let's ask Elmo. Maybe he's seen Big Bird. Hi, Elmo. Oh, hi, Ernie. Have you seen Big Bird? Oh, Big Bird. Yeah. Which way did he go? That way. That way? Yeah, that way. Thank you, Elmo. You're welcome, Ernie. Bye-bye. Good luck. Thanks, Elmo. Bye-bye. Love you. Love you too. Bye. La. That sounded like Big Bird's voice. Gotcha, Big Bird. You found me! It's Big Bird. It's me. I know you any place. 8 feet of yellow feathers. The peak upon your face. Your happy Big Bird voice, la, tells us you're the one. We found him. La, la. Our journey to Big Bird is done. That was fun. I like hiding, and I like seeking. That's a game too, hide and seek. Come back tomorrow for another game of Journey to Big Bird.